12 places people left and never returned to Detroit, USA. The Motor City breakdown from car capital to cautionary tale. Jobs vanished after the auto industry shrunk. Middle-class families moved to suburbs or new states. Abandoned buildings overtook entire neighborhoods. Crime and blight pushed people out for good. Pripyat, Ukraine. Silent since the sirens. One explosion, one ghost town. Evacuated within hours after the 1986 Chernobyl disaster. Contaminated by radioactive fallout, entire generations grew up elsewhere. Today, only tourists in hazmat suits visit Venice, Italy. Sinking and soaring costs. A city drowning in both water and rent. Frequent flooding damages homes. Cost of living drives out locals. Residents complain it's now just for tourists. Youth migrate to mainland cities for work. Gary, Indiana, USA. Steel town left to rust. When the steel died, so did the city. Dependent on one industry, steel. When factories shut down, jobs disappeared. High crime and poor schools followed. Families left, many never returned. Aleppo, Syria. War drove them. Bawa city reduced to rubble. One of the oldest cities in the world, now destroyed by civil war. Ongoing conflict made return impossible. Millions fled to Turkey, Europe, and elsewhere. Families start over in safer places. Fukushima, Japan. Radioactive regret. Earthquake, tsunami, meltdown. Triple disaster in 2011 forced mass evacuation. Some towns still under restricted access. Many relocated and never returned. Fear of contamination lingers. Centralia, Pennsylvania. Fire beneath their feet. A city on fire. For over 50 years, coal fire ignited underground in 1962. Sinkholes and toxic gases made it unlivable. Government relocated residents. Only a handful of people still live there legally. Ordos, China. Built for millions. Home 2000s. The city that was ready, but no one came. Planned megacity in Inner Mongolia. Expensive property. No local demand. Lacked jobs, schools, and hospitals. Now called the ghost city of China. New Orleans, USA. Katrina changed everything. A storm they never recovered from. Hurricane Katrina in 2005 flooded 80% of the city. Thousands displaced permanently. Many relocated to Texas, Georgia, or elsewhere. Some neighborhoods were never rebuilt. Nagoro, Japan, where dolls outnumber people. A village frozen in time. Remote mountain town with aging population. Youth moved to cities for better jobs. One woman made life-size dolls to fill the emptiness. Now known as the doll village. Kalmanskap, Namibia. Buried by the desert. From diamond dreams to dusty memories. Once a thriving mining town. Desert sands reclaimed the buildings workers moved when diamonds dried up. Now preserved as a tourist relic. Baikuan, China. Earthquake erased it. A town that vanished in minutes. Hit hard by the 2008 Sichuan earthquake. Schools and buildings collapsed. Survivors were relocated to a new town. Ruins kept as a memorial to the lost.